Okay, we're back now on board the Pearl 62. And showing us around is
Rusty from Baxter Marine. Hello, my name.
There you go, and he's going to.
You're welcome on board. You can continue. Feel free.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Absolutely fantastic.
Quite a narrow walkway there. Relax area. Yeah. Beautiful.
Is it a bar in here?
You can open it, of course. There you have the. Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
We have some cleaning sinks there now.
Yeah.
Just stored.
There you go.
I could easily live with this.
This is the inside. Beautiful with a TV that sinks down into the.
Yes. Yes.
And there's the
You like
cabin.
water? You have a freezer here. You like the water? Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
There's the freezer as well.
Of course, down there.
Yeah. And almost like a fully equipped
Oh, yeah.
kitchen with a fridge, freezer, an oven, hob, everything you want.
Mila. Brilliant.
Beautiful. Just sit.
Comfortable.
Very comfortable. Yes. And it's obviously air conditioned because it's nice and cool in here, so
Really good working. It works really good. I will close the doors for that reasons too, because works really nice and you feel really good inside. Of course, you cannot just do your necessaries. You can try the air, just only dehumidify or whatever, for sure. Summer, winter here you can survive really nice, of course.
Yeah.
We are not born inside, and in the winter we are not cold inside. It's really perfect.
So, right, let's go down and have a look at the cabins. The main cabin here, which is beautiful. Oh, and it's very cool in here. Look at this. You've got the windows looking out. Gorgeous. Storage. Bathroom and shower.
Few lockers around down here.
Down here, look at the bathroom, fully equipped bathroom. Look at this.
That side.
Yeah.
Shower. Very nice indeed. Very nice indeed. This is a.
No, it's not a sliding.
No, it's not slightly. This is it's fixed mirror.
Also that I like, because normally that kind of materials over the walls I like. Some boats they have no, for example, nothing like that, but that material, especially I see first time on that boat, because that boat is so also first time few weeks ago, and I can say it from
It's
the design.
brand new.
Yes, yes, it's built the new ones,
Yeah.
completely new ones. So also interior is quite different. If you see the 80,
Yeah,
80 is
yeah.
beautiful, but that one you see advances. Also interior is nice. That's the truth. I liked it.
Another bathroom, guest bathroom, I guess, with entry from here. Yes. So you get the guest room here. 2 single beds.
With the TV?
TV. Very nice indeed. Yeah, plenty of room.
And we have one room more.
At the rear, yeah,
Yeah.
at the aft.
There is another.
And there's another 2 sleeping on the other side. And they're all equipped with TVs,
You're able
mirrors.
to keep different temperatures in different areas.
You have for each area one air condition,
Yeah.
so you can do what you want. That one, if you are using just that room, all that should be.
Look at that. Fantastic. And then
Like different temperatures.
Yes, for sure. Someone they likes
Yeah, down here as well.
Yeah.
Now, pretty cold and good, feeling good.
Like me, when I come to the northern part of Sweden.
Down here?
-10,
That's true, you feel
And you also have
-5, -10.
a double bedroom here. A very nice double bed with sitting. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. This will be very comfortable at the back. And a nice marble shower. Look at this.
Yeah. I go downstairs.
Cupboard here. Cupboard here. Storage nice. This is the main bedroom. Beautiful. How's it there?
Oh, look at that one.
So let's go and look up on the fly bridge. Here you got the relax area with plenty of space up here for guests. You'll get an easy 3, 6, 7, 8, 10, 15 people up here easy.
Lockers under each cushion is a locker. With a big space for sure. You can store there. Each here is also storable. That side, the boat too, and here we have a freezers, Barbie.
Ah yes.
Oh, yes. Oh,
Grill and everything here.
Grill, exactly, ready for everything. Freezers,
Freezer.
for ice. I like that. Another
Storage.
Storage, yeah.
In compact and usable.
Compact and usable.
it's all about finding out how to use the things you have.
Thousands
And here you can
thousands idea, but generally if you fit more and less in the middle somewhere with a nicely organized things, perfect, I like it too.
Yeah, it's very nice.
But it's true, it's sometimes difficult, to make up.
And it's also a targa, so you can take off the.
Yeah, we can take it
Covering.
off, open it. Yeah.
And there you have also more space. Sofa, bed sofa down there, with the drink holders on each side, and a big long couch just here. Lovely, and of course the sail, the shade. It's beautiful. Yeah, it's beautiful. Let's take a walk around now. Have a look.
Down in the front then.
Yeah. And this is walking alongside. To the front. And this is what she's like from the front, basically. Got plenty of people here. Window.
Chain locker.
Chain locked up, yeah.
Under you is also, we have a table. Under that is a
Yeah, I
table.
thought that.
Are they telescopic?
No, it's a full sticks. Just
Full sticks.
Just you have
okay,
to.
just up
Yeah,
and then lock.
yeah, unlock. That's it.
Very beautiful.
Lights.
How do you get there?
Night lights, of
Night
course.
lights.
Where is other? Here. Like that.
Oh.
We couldn't forget for that because it's really important.
How do you get the table up?
You have to. It's under you.
It's on.
So
Yeah,
if
exactly.
you want to do, we have to do just moving up that. Want you table?
No, you don't put
No,
the...
just
Just so we know.
Like that, you have to remove and open it that, and there is
And
just
slide
a
up.
table, and the
Yeah.
ping
Okay.
is here. It's
Okay.
really moved because people they once work here.
Yeah.
You know.
What is that?
This is the boat
Storage.
room here.
Okay.
The cabin here, what is?
Yeah.
You can also remove that, and you have nice.
Yes.
Ah, yeah.
Also, this is the you can open it from the
Yes.
inside.
You
get air
the
from-
wind.
Yeah.
Also,
The main cabin.
yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Very nice indeed. Stay tuned, we'll be back. Now we're just opening up the hatch and showing you what space you've got underneath here. So there's plenty of room here. There you go, yeah.
It's full.
Yeah, that's a lot of room. Yeah, that's a space for a jet ski. If you want it.
You're welcome.
You get a jet ski in there easy.
Yeah,
Oh yes, oh yes. Here thingy, the jet ski. There maybe the for the underwater.
Yeah,
swimming, that one.
for the snorkeling.
Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Yeah, that's sliding.
Yes, exactly. Be aware with the feet a lot.
Hope you've enjoyed being on this 62-foot Pearl yacht. If you did, please subscribe and like.